Welcome back to another video, guys. So finally, in every video, like the last 3 days, I keep saying, I'm gonna get my wheel spacers, my wheel spacers, my wheel spacers. Well, today I'm finally getting them, so we're gonna install them and see how they look. So, car is up on the jack stands. I haven't jacked it up since I lowered it, so it was a little tougher to get it off the ground. But she's sitting like that, so we're gonna go ahead and start taking the wheels off and getting the front spacers on. So here are the wheel spacers themselves. So I am doing 15 millimeter for the rear and 20 millimeter for the front. So I got my extended lug nuts, and these are them. So got one wheel off, so let's start installing it. All right, just positioning the first wheel spacer. That's really gonna make a difference. So 20 millimeters, make the fitment super flush and looking good. And lug nuts. So these are the extended ones and these are the factory ones. These ones look like a toy compared to the extended ones. We'll just torque it down once we drop. So we just dropped the first side and it looks insane. It's so flush. It sticks out a little bit, but look at it from the other side. You can hardly see the wheel. It's so much better. Missing the whole point. All right, guys, so we just got the two front wheel spacers on. Car is dropped, as you can tell. Looks way better, more flush. Right now, we're using a torque wrench, which you guys should all use when tightening your lug nuts, just to be safe. You don't want anything coming loose. Just pulled the car around, so we're gonna start on the second side. Look at that front though. Come on, zoom in. Nice and flush. So just got the first rear tire off. Spacer sitting in nicely. I've never taken these rear tires off, but guys, look how massive these rears are. They're insane. These are the factory specs too. They're 275s, and I'm trying to get hopefully 305. So imagine what 305s is gonna look on that. All right, guys, wheel spacers are fully on the car. I'm super happy with how it looks. Tomorrow when it's daylight, I'm gonna get some better clips so you guys can see, but look at that. It's like perfectly flush. So super excited about it. So that's gonna end the video, guys. Got my cat right there distracting me, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. Super happy that I finally have the wheel spacers on the car. I think the fitment is perfect. It doesn't rub or anything, and the car feels like it handles a little better too. Like the steering feels a little bit stiffer. So I'm super happy with how it came out. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the fitment. Camera makes it look a little weird, but in person, I swear it looks really good, really flush. The rear looks wide, the front looks aggressive, so I'm pretty happy with it. So make sure you like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.